I try, but I don't do too well with apologies. I hope I don't run out of time, cause someone call a referee. Cause I just need one more shot, have forgiveness. I know you know that I made those mistakes maybe once or twice. And by once or twice I mean maybe a couple of 100 times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. Cause I just need one more shot, second chance. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say sorry now?
ഒരു ദിവസം 1000 പേരെ പഠിപ്പിക്കാനുള്ള എല്ലാ സുരക്ഷാ ക്രമീകരണങ്ങളും ഒരുക്കാണ് ഇവിടെ കാത്തിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഒത്തിരി ആളുകൾ കാത്തിരിക്കാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ വരില്ലേ?
Blame if you want me to, but you know that there is no innocent one in this game for two. I go, and then you go out and spill the truth. Can we both say the words and forget this? Yeah. Is it too late now to say sorry? Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Oh, is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm not just trying to get you back on me. Cause I'm missing more than just your body. Is it too late now to say sorry? Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now? I'm sorry. Yeah. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, I know that I let you down. Is it too late to say I'm sorry now?
When the shadow won't leave, when the battle won't stop, and every breath that you breathe takes all that you've got. When you wonder if you're always gonna feel this way, hear the Lord of heaven say, I will hold you when you're breaking, like a father and a friend, and I will carry you through darkness till we see the sun again. So rest your head and cry your tears, know that I am with you here when you can't live that way. Believe me when I say I will. I know you're feeling overwhelmed.
ഈ വർഷത്തെ 5ാമത്തെ ബാച്ചാണ്. ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ 6 വയസ്സോടെയുള്ള കുട്ടികളാണ്. 40
And when you're at your weakest,
ഈ ചെറിയ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെയാണ് പെരിയാറ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്ത് നീന്തി നടക്കുന്നത്. വേണ്ട, മീൻ നടക്കും പോലെയാണ് ഇത് നടക്കുന്നത്. വേണ്ട, മീൻ നീന്തും പോലെ.
I will hold you when you're breaking, like a father and a friend. And I will carry you through darkness till we see the sun again. So rest your head and cry your tears. Know that I am with you here when you can't live that way. Believe me when I say I will.
Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. The days grow longer and nights grow shorter as I lie free. Passing streetlights and starry moonlights and I fly free. Hey! Hey! I feel no sorrow. Chale, nikle, tujhe ki tarah. There I see, I feel no sorrow. Chale, nikle, tujhe ki tarah. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows. Like a firefly, open the night, alive and bright, chasing old shadows.
feet high. There's a trail through the trees to a cliff where Carolina meets the sky. And there's a view I just can't describe. No, we're not there yet, just a few more steps, baby, wait.
780 മീറ്റർ നീന്തിയാണ് ഈ കുട്ടികളൊക്കെ വന്നേക്കുന്നത്. ഒരു കുഴപ്പമില്ല.
This is it, this is now, this is what I've been talking about. Looking out, can't you see forever? Take my hand, just take it in. This is a moment we won't forget. On top of the world, here together. If there ever was a time for a perfect kiss, this is it.
We shall overcome someday. I do believe.
Talking to your friends, wondering if and wondering where and wondering when. Well, I've been waiting to, holding on to this ring, for the right words to say, for the right time and place for me to get on one knee. This is it,